can solve the problem. Okay. So I cooperation. Come. To work together. Okay. So it is your university. Press. And bring back the old image, whatever is there. Glory of this university. Yeah. Students, they are like my children, my teachers' colleague, non-teaching staff, research scholars, and the media person. As you are already aware, the fact that VC has gone on leave for 15 days at the moment from today, and by virtue of which that I am the senior most professor as per our University Act, Ordinance and Statutes, so automatically I become a VC in charge in his absence. That's why I have no option than to take charge as Vice Chancellor in charge. Yes, from day one, I am here with the student because they are like my children. We are seeing, observing the pain they are taking for the noble cause of this university. This is our university. And I would like to mention that I am the product of this university. I am here since 1980. I did my all study here and has become faculty, and then I've completed 37 years of service here. So I have seen ups and downs of this university. I've seen the best part of it and now the worst part of it. So this is very painful to us to see this university is now at this turmoil position. So I have taken charge. Okay, so now I know all the problems, and we'll try, or I'll try my level best in collaboration with my student fellow, my teacher fellow, non-teaching staff, the problem which you have with whatever power, limited power which I have. So we'll try to resolve all these problems. So we do not know exactly because I'm busy in charge, you know it. So we'll see how much we can do it and try to solve the problem. My first priority will be that students, those who are on hunger strike, so I'll request them so to withdraw their hunger strike because they are really in a very, very bad situation. My secretary of that Nehusu has mentioned that many of us are now in the hospital. It is really painful to hear. We cannot sleep in the night. See, looking at the condition of the student in this cold weather, and they are just sitting here and all. So it is really painful to us because I'm not only teacher, I'm also like parents of all the children. Okay, so that is really painful to us. We cannot tolerate that. So we'll try whatever best we can do it in collaboration with the help of our students community as well as teachers community, non-teaching community, to resolve this issue step by step slowly. So it is such a big issue, so many issues are there, it is not possible to resolve in one day, so we have to go stepwise, and then we'll try our level best to resolve all these issues. Thank you very much.